Indian troops in their fresh acts of state terrorism martyred today 5 more Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. During cordon and search operations, the troops martyred 3 youth in Drach and 1 in Moolu areas of Shopian district. The troops continued their operations at both the places till last reports came in. The troops shot at and injured a civilian, Asif Ahmad, at a checkpoint in Haal area of Pulwama district. Later, the victim succumbed to his injuries. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, complete shutdown is being observed today on the occasion of Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to the territory. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by other Hurriyat leaders and organizations. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti said the authorities put her under house arrest today to stop her from visiting Patan area of Baramulla district. PDP chief in a tweet said while Indian Home Minister is going around Kashmir beating drums of normalcy, she is under house arrest for simply wanting to visit Patan for a worker's wedding. One Indian Army pilot was killed and another injured in a helicopter crash in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. According to Kashmir Media Service, a helicopter of the Indian Army Aviation crashed in the forward area near Tawang town in Arunachal Pradesh. Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations Ambassador Munir Akram has invoked the attention of the international community towards the serious threat posed by the India's Hindutva and hegemonic policies to the peace and security of South Asian region. Addressing the UN General Assembly's first committee dealing with disarmament and international security matters, he deplored that India has stationed 900,000 troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their inalienable right to self-determination granted to them by the UN through its several resolutions. Former Australian Senator and human rights activist Lee Rihonan, expressing support to the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, has called for granting them the UN-recognized right to self-determination. She expressed her support through a video message released on social media. Besides backing the Kashmiris' right to self-determination, she has also called for freeing Yasin Malik and all other Kashmiri political prisoners and withdrawal of Indian troops from Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.